Okay, this video is to show you on the Forever Rest FR6KSL how to use the airbags, massage, the airbag pressure, and how to use those settings and adjust them while on auto program and on manual. Also how to use the different airbags in sections. So if you want to avoid certain sections, you can do that. I will show you. So first we're going to start with the manual setting. We're going to go down and we're going to turn, well, let's just say the chair is on already, or at least the remote is on. So let's start with the air massage by hitting the air pressure massage. You'll see on the top here on the blue. Okay, it's going to tell you which airbags are going to inflate, and you can always look at the human icon and you will see the green flashing dots letting you know those are the active airbags. In this case right now we have it under airbag full body. If we hit that air pressure button again, it goes to upper body, and that's going to activate the shoulders, the arms and hand massager. If we hit it one more time, it's going to activate the legs and feet only. So if you want to avoid your shoulders, for example, and your arms, if you want to just leave your hands on the outer part on top of the side panel, you can do that and just use the legs and feet setting. Okay, once you've set that, you can then set the intensity. Of course, the intensity button right here, and all these settings you can also set with the menu program, but it's a lot easier and faster if you just use these direct buttons. So the intensity setting, you can see right here, it's got 6 different levels, and it goes green. It's at the highest intensity level, so it is at level 6. We're going to bring it down to 1. And it will remain, it will stay at that level until the massage session ends. In this case, we have 17 minutes. You can always add more time by going to the menu, scrolling down to timer, and adding more minutes. Okay, so now at this point you have the airbag set up with the intensity. Now if you want to turn on the back massager, of course, you hit the manual button. And as you can see on the top there, it switched to kneading. Okay, so it's going to start scanning you first. As you can see, body scanning. At the end of the scan, it will beep a few times, allowing you to adjust the height so you can control how high you want the rollers to go for that session. We're going to hit manual again, and then it's going to tap. Again, the body scanning is still on. It is beeping. This is when you adjust it up or down with the up arrow. Hold it up or hold it down. After that, it will start the actual massage technique, and in this case, it's tapping. So now, as you can see, the intensity is still at level 1, and it's still massaging the airbag massage, I should say. You can see the red, or excuse me, the green dots, the feet and the calves. So it's still in the same area. Has not moved, and it will stay there. Intensity still at 1. Manual again. We're going to knocking. Okay, now we're going to switch over to auto program. The difference is when you switch over to auto program, you can still control which airbag massages are on, which airbags are off, just like here on manual, except the intensity. When you switch from one auto program to another one, you will have to reset it every time. Okay, so we're hitting auto program and it's on recover. Okay, it's on recover. You can see the intensity by default goes to level 3. I'm going to move that by hitting the intensity button, and it's going down to level 1. Excuse me, there's 5 levels. I believe I said 6 levels earlier. It's 5. So it's level 1, and we are in auto program recover. Now we're going to set the air pressure massage button. the areas we want the massage. So this time we're going to do upper body. So it's going to activate the arms, hands, and the shoulder massage. As you can see already, the green dots are lighting up for the arms. Okay. And I'm going to change the intensity again down to 1. And it is at 14 minutes. It will stay there until we change something. For example, if we change the auto program, I'm going to hit auto program. Now we just switched over to recovery. Notice how the intensity just moved up. Just moved up to 3 bars. So it's at level 3. So anytime you change on the auto programs from one program to the other, you will have to hit the intensity button to get it back to the level that you want. In this case, we're working with level 1, so we'll put it back on level 1 and leave it there. Airbag massage, again, we're switching that to upper body right there. And it was still on upper body, so that does stay there as well. Okay, so just some tips here showing you how to make those adjustments. Changing the auto program again to recover and adjusting the intensity. And we are at 12 minutes. And I should mention on the auto program, anytime you switch the auto programs, as I mentioned earlier, it's going to change the intensity and you will have to reset that. The same goes for the air pressure or air location. So if you do hit the air pressure and change it from, if you have it on lower body, for example, right now, as you can see, the intensity is at level 1. I'm going to press the air pressure button to change the location. So we're going legs and feet. And as you can see, the intensity just went from level 1 to level 3. So again, we will have to adjust that. That's because on the auto programs, these programs are pre-designed or predetermined as far as what the intensity level is going to be at, but it does allow you to override it. Okay, so as long as you don't change the location of the airbags by hitting the air pressure or on the menu, so you can go here, menu, down to airbags, position, and choose legs and feet, upper body and full body. If you change that, the intensity will change. You will have to manually set that again, levels 1 through 5, as you can see right there. Okay, hit menu again, go back to the main menu or home page there. So that is just a quick tutorial to show you again how to make those adjustments. If you have any questions, need any further assistance, feel free to send us an email at massagechairhelp@yahoo.com. You can send us or call us, I should say, as well at 619-630-1440 or 619-628-9503. Hope this video helped and thank you for watching.